No, call me Keith or call me Keith. Tell me whatever you want.
Yeah, call me Chuck. Call me Dave. Call me Fred. Oh, my name's Keith, but you can,
I was totally...
call me Fistula, whatever makes you happy.
I was more on the 45-minute prep time. And then there was all my crap laying all over the place drying out.
I think we're more on the early indigenous peoples thing of time is relative, and it's just about whenever we get there. I come pulling up to the driveway early, which does not happen often.
No. I hope I got everything I need. I mean, I guess I got my license.
You got your license, you got your gun.
Yep. Well,
hot coffee.
We had a day of mourning yesterday. Jer Bear went home. That was a miserable day yesterday, miserable day Tuesday. He didn't have much good weather. So did some
now it's already
yesterday.
40 degrees.
Yeah. You know what it's gonna do Friday? Yeah, chance of snow.
What?
No, I mean not snow. Chance of rain. Chance of rain. And then of course Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Well, Saturday, Sunday, Monday's supposed to be good, and then Tuesday's supposed to be bad. But we don't have any licenses for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, so we can just shuck it.
Minnows and mousies and wigglers and you. It's like one of those carriage riding songs.
Doesn't even sound good.
Huh?
Doesn't even sound good. No.
It doesn't sound good?
No.
It sounds like an ideal date for a young lady that's interested in fishing on the hard water. See the subliminal messaging there? Hard. I said hard right there.
Bumpy on the road.
How come this road's not all woo-wop?
I don't know that they stick out so much as they're just different.
The first gobble of the day back in there. Maybe even across the street. But the good thing is we were smart enough to be in the blind already, ready to go before we called. Which is Nomad Outdoors.
Where'd I go?
Key piece of advice is if you're gonna run and gun, it's really run, sit, and gun. So our recommendation is park your truck, find a spot to hide. Well, what if we did it in order the right way? Scout your areas for birds so that you know that there could be birds in the area. So do your scouting. And then, once you've done your scouting and you think you know where the birds are, then you sneak on in there.
And scrape your shin on the guardrail.
Yep. And
don't forget to bring your
set up your decoy. Get yourself plopped down. Get your gear set up. Then call. And when that gobbler gobbles back, you're already set. Yeah, no worries. As opposed to stopping the truck, stepping outside, hitting the call, they gobble. Now you gotta figure out where to hide the truck, where you're gonna hide, where you're gonna set up, trying to get a decoy set up, blah, 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 blah.
You don't have a cup holder on this? You know what, though? Seeing Jeremy's coffee cup the other day, that was what was like, I need to find something to bring a coffee out here.
I have something, I just didn't bring it. So there's our words of advice. Don't fall over camera. Now we had that one gobble at what, 8:15?
Yep. It was way off.
And the one thing that I've realized that you have a lot of time to do while you're sitting in the blind waiting for the turkeys is to read articles. That being said, the articles are saying, and you know what that means?
You shit your pants?
Yeah. It means that they say if you don't have any activity within an hour of calling, change locations. So that's what we're gonna do. Change the locations.
We gave him lots of time, so we gave him 2 hours.
And we don't want to bore you with the details of changing locations. So you know what? We'll see you
At a new location.
in a new location. Now it seems like that gobble came from back over here on the private land, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
But just one gobble. That was it. And basically all we're getting, with the exception of with Jer Bear and I the other day, all we're basically getting is shot gobbles. You hit a call, they gobble, and then that's it. They're like, what? What was that? And then like, oh, one of them. Oh my God.
Yeah, I thought my tire had gone past it when I cut it.
It always seem to send you places that I think would be accessible, and then once we get on it, it's like, yeah, maybe it's not so accessible.
Just noticing it, huh?
Yeah.
And there's another one that's cutting off to the right.
Yeah.
He's got about a 5 or 6 inch beard.
Yep.
Fuck. We've done it again.
Mm-hmm. Well, we found the turkeys, but we're pinned in the truck. I'm just gonna do a roll call, see if they fluff up. So I got them to shot gobble, but none of them are really strutting. Oh, there's another gobble.
What if we back up? Okay. See how this road goes? To where we are. What if we just go down there a ways and then cut in and try to set up?
Okay, I'm with that.
Surprised they didn't gobble.
He did. He just gobbled to your truck
I was
started.
just gonna say, I'm surprised they didn't gobble here in the truck. I can't see where the fuck I am at.
Do you think we could pull him back this way?
If we go on over here.
I don't know where you're going. I'm looking at it.
Gotta put that window up. Use an eye.
I'm looking at this open field here. Or is that small? That's small. But we're going away from them?
They're over there. They were going that way.
Yeah.
So they're over there. If they're heading this way, we can get out at any time. I don't know where the fuck I want to turn around. We'll figure that out later on. Is it right here? Yep.
Where are we going to call him into?
We should just go in up here somewhere. What do you want?
Well, what I'm getting at is, how are you going to shoot him? I mean, your pellets aren't going to go through. I know what you're saying.
There's nowhere else to go. There's no open field that we're going to draw them out into. We're going to have to hunt them in the woods. That's where they are.
This is awful fucking thick. So I want to kind of follow this path, because if it goes around this over to where those pine trees are, I think we might need to, if we can hook, to the direction they were going, because we V'd off from them.
Right.
I think they were going that way. We ended up turning and going this way. So I don't know if we want to keep pressing that way. It looks like there's a clearing right there. Maybe that pine tree where those logs are, we can see what it looks like going down. I'm gonna try calling again. I don't want to get too twisted up here either, you know what I mean? Get lost back here.
Right there.
Hmm?
That gobble I heard coming from back there was like a gobble, 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 gobble. So it was this disdained one. It wasn't like just a little, like, am I hearing something else? I mean, it was a bird. I'm thinking just maybe go back to the truck.
Jesus Christ.
Get your crow call. And instead of us like using the hen call to locate, we'll just use the crow call and see if we can, because if they responded that a truck's starting, then they'll probably respond to a crow call. And maybe try to point them.
I think where we're at now is just a needle in a haystack. You know, it's so thick back here that, you know, I mean, obviously, if they were gobbling and coming in,
that'd be different.
Yeah, we've got no field of vision back here, so it's hard for us to even see, you know, what's even out here.
They're like, what the hell is he doing? I'm trying to clip my seat up.
Yeah, let's go back to the truck and then we'll
Go from there.
go from there.
Go for it.
So, once again, these birds are jacking with us. We saw them earlier today, so we tried to cut them off. Ended up down in the swamp. Didn't have any success down there, so came back out the same trail. And then, we're turning around at the end of the 2-track. We're just kind of standing there, and I can see it moving through the woods. From the time we saw him this morning till then, I don't even think they moved 300 yards. But we don't know all the 2 tracks back here, so we don't know where they all go. So the 2-track that we came back on, the one that we're on now, we should have done that this morning. But we didn't even know this one was here. The good thing though is to our east is a big clear cut. So I'm hoping that they're gonna hold in this pocket of woods and not go out into the clear cut. But they did not respond to the gobbles either, or to the hen yelps. I started soft, did a few soft calls, and then I hit a yelp series, and they didn't respond at all. But this morning, when we started the truck, they gobbled when the truck started. So I don't know what's going on now. I'm thinking it's noon at this point. No, nuances today, but more shock gobble than anything else.